Everyone have a nice day. Are you looking for a workout program to help you achieve a lean, toned, and muscular physique? Look no further than the Forex training system developed by fitness experts Steve and Becky Holman. This program is designed to help individuals reach their fitness goals. The Forex system is divided into three phases: lean, shape, and build. The lean phase is designed to help individuals lose excess body fat and build a foundation of muscles. The phase emphasizes using heavy weights and low reps to stimulate muscle growth and improve strength. The shape phase is geared toward building muscle definition and enhancing overall muscularity. This phase also incorporates a variety of exercises, including compound movements. The build phase is founded on increasing muscle size and strength. This phase emphasizes using heavy weights. Overall, the Alpha training system is intended to be a flexible and adaptable program at different levels of fitness and exercise. Get started today and achieve the lean, toned, and muscular physique you've always wanted.